Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dewi Mutiara Zahrani from English Education Study Program. So here I carry out the final exam for the course Speaking in a Professional Context by reviewing the journal. This time, I will review a journal with the title 6 Color Extraction and Energy Detection of Nutrient Deficiencies in Cucumber Leaves Using Artificial Neural Networks. Writer by Ari Quraini, Prihastuti Harsani, Triasti Nurmiatiningsih, Lili Ayu Wulandari, and Alexander Agung Santoso Gunawan. This journal was published by Journal ComIT, Communication and Information Technology in 2020 and volume 14, and then serial number from 23 to 13. This journal article consists of 5 parts, namely, first, abstract, second, introduction, third, research method, fourth, result and discussion, and fifth, conclusion. And I will begin by looking at abstract. There consists of 3 points. So the first point, the purpose of this study was to detect combined deficiency of 2 nutrients, namely nitrogen and phosphor, or phosphor and potassium. So in this section is called research objective. The second point, in research method, the researchers use the characteristic of RGB and Sobel edge detection for leaf shape detection and artificial neural network, or ENN, for the identification process in making nutritional differentiation identification application in cucumber. So, in this section is called research method. And the third point, in the result of this study, the identification of nutritional deficiencies in plants using backpropagation neural network was carried out in 3 tests. So is in this section is called the result of the research. And the keywords are color extraction, edge detection, nutrient deficiencies, and artificial neural network. Now, look at introduction section. There are 3 points from introduction. First, background. Second, problem, and then purposes. So, in introduction section, that it contains an overview related to discussion, including the background problem. So in this study, combining more than one nutrient to represent real event in the field of that occur in cucumber leaf. With the problem in this journal, how is the result of recording with more than one nutrient deficiency in cucumber leaves? This journal aims to find out information related to nutrient deficiencies in cucumber leaves using combined deficiency detection of 2 nutrients. Let's move to the research method. In this section, the author divides into 3 stages. The first stage is image processing, which includes the image cropping stage and selecting the important parts of cucumber leaf image then proceed with the stage is resizing the image. The second stage color and edge detection. This stage is to get the edge of an objective in image. And then third section, the heuristic identification of neural network. This stage is the result of identifying cucumber using the backpropagation neural networks. Okay, on the result and discussion, the analysis results show that nutrient deficiency value P and P image have increased in variancy and a decrease in kurtosis compared to the salt. In addition, the results show that differences in leaf color indicate nutrients deficient status. To conclude this journal, first, this study used the RB Sobel characteristic of edge detection features on the image of cucumber leaves. Second, the first test using RGB color extraction and Sobel edge detection has an accuracy 65-36%. That's all from me about the journal I have with you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.